Hey guys, so it's really dark, but I wanted to start Vlogsgiving since the day before Thanksgiving. Right now it's almost 7 o'clock and I'm at work. So yeah, I've spilled applesauce all over myself. It's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a great day. I can feel it. Guess who I'm with now? Me, it's Jacob. So I haven't vlogged since this morning whenever I got to work at like 7.
Where's your windshield?
Oh yes, my windshield is fixed. I had to get my windshield fixed today. Windshield fixed today because I was driving and a rock hit it and shattered. Well, not shattered, cracked it. So I got that fixed today. And did I say what time it was? It's 4:30. And I'm headed home finally. Well, we are headed home. I'm headed home. Going home.
Pokemon? Yes, I do.
Man, the light came on. I'm sorry, what serious business?
Pokemon.
Thanks for the help.
Monique.
Thanks for the help.
I asked if you needed help. You said no.
You ready?
Sure. I've been ready for about 2 weeks. But somebody did not want to do the haircuts.
Excuse me, sir. I was very busy. I think that you're just being a babe. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. It is getting long.
Coyote agrees with me. Coyote says, Daddy needs haircut.
Does Daddy need a haircut yet?
He says, yes.
What's Frank say? Frank, does Daddy need a haircut?
He
He says, I need mommy love.
but Coyote says, but Daddy shaved, and now he doesn't have his pricks.
No pricks. No pricks means no good.
You might want to explain what pricks mean.
Oh yeah. Okay. So pricks, it's like beard, like stubble, basically.
Mm-hmm.
That's what pricks are. Pricks are beard stubble. Stickies are babies. That's just what the dogs call them. That's what they've always called them.
Coyote likes.
It's here to stay. What can I say?
Thanks.
Oh, shit.
Frankie.
Frank, what you doing? Ignore the messy room. Just watch the dog, okay? Okay. So cute. Frankie, what is that?
I don't know why screaming is going to get some more.
Frankie! Frank! Frankie! So silly. Hi, Mr. Frank. Good morning. So today's Thanksgiving, and I've already had a tragedy. It's fine.
Not been able to figure out what you want to wear.
Oh, so I've had 2 tragedies. What is happening? Actually, 3 if you count the fact that I originally had a different foundation on and completely wiped it all off.
You were crying earlier?
I was crying. Okay, but that wasn't a tragedy. That was cute.
That was a video.
It was a cute cry. But we're getting ready and I'm getting all the food out and I realized I made the corn pudding wrong yesterday. I forgot an ingredient completely. So now I have to remake it. But it's okay because we do have time. And I have time to remake it. And I'm happy that I realized before we got there and I tasted it and was like, something's wrong with this. We're a couple minutes late to my dad's parents. Like,
Your
yeah,
grands.
my dad's parents. But that's okay. They didn't look ready either, so all's good.
says we can just nap.
That is what Frank says. Jacob's looking at his cards
Yes.
instead of helping.
With what?
Getting ready! I'm sorry, what?
You cheat at Uno.
No.
Because
You were being...
used all of your harvest cards on me.
You used, you told Brittany to use all of her harvest cards on me. That it was an unspoken thing that we just did.
It is.
No.
It isn't spoken.
No, you're being rude.
No.
Well, we're going to Jacob's grandpa's. And then we're going to my other grandma's. We were just at my grandma's. I think I vlogged about that earlier. And then we'll be back at my grandma's tonight. But we're not actually doing like a Thanksgiving dinner. Then we're gonna go back, we're gonna go to Jacob's parents' house afterwards to play games. Which way do you think is the fastest way to go? That way? Yeah. Okay, so it's already been a really busy morning. Jacob and I did go Black Friday shopping. We didn't get up super early or out super early or anything. Ignore my lip, okay? It's busted. We didn't get up super early or anything, but we still got to Target at like 7:30, and I got some things, got a sweater, some games, some Christmas shopping, then we got some stuff for the dogs, which Jacob and I actually have something to show you all a little bit later. Super excited to show you all, but we haven't had the time. We've been really busy running around. I'm actually going back out to the pet store to grab something, and then also stopping by the bank, and Jacob is going to the grocery to grab some eggs because I didn't realize I didn't have enough eggs. Even though like a carton was not enough eggs for what I need for the next 2 days. So yeah, that's it.
What are you doing?
So Jacob and I have some news.
Oh. I didn't know what you were doing.
So here's something Jacob bought. Black Friday shopping.
Don't judge.
We also got dog stuff. And we got that little camera right there so that way then I can spy and talk to the dogs.
Mostly talk.
Mostly talk. Sometimes looking and talking. But we got something yesterday, and it's kind of half the reason we didn't vlog as much. Besides the fact that it was Thanksgiving, we were spending time with family. Mm-hmm. And by the time we got home, I was exhausted. I don't know about you.
You were tired.
I was tired. Real tired. But we added a member. He looks huge.
He looks like Frank.
Oh, dear my goodness. He swallows Frankie. His name is Bruno, and he's a shepherd, and he's a very good boy. Oh, big stretch, Bruno. Let's see what there's Frankie. Yeah, he's a little over 80 pounds right now. So there's him and Frankie. It's very deceptive. Holding the camera up like this. Well, no, okay. You could kind of see whenever he was walking up towards him, like how much shorter Frankie is, but they look so similar. Literally, him and Frankie, they were like best friends, like from the start.
Frankie's head cannot fit on top of the table like this.
No, Bruno, put your paw down. Because
he says, I will the woost.
See,
now.
Okay, you can really see now because Frankie like, bro. But Frankie,
Get your paw off the table.
Frankie and him are like BFFs. We wanted to get another dog. Let me turn this to myself, I guess. Actually, if anybody knows me, they would not be surprised that we have another dog. But for a while, we've been wanting another dog at the house because Mocha plays with my family's puppies. But, you know, we don't go over there every day. And sometimes, I mean, at least recently, wouldn't you say? Like, we've been noticing, like, she would act out if she didn't get enough, like, energy out. Mm-hmm. And so we wanted a dog for her to play with. But we also wanted one for Frankie because he plays with my dad's girlfriend's dog, Reba, his girlfriend. But Reba also gets pulled away by the other dogs, and Frankie doesn't play like normal, like fetch or tug or anything like that, and he doesn't play like normal games with dogs. He basically wants to almost play like kind of his version of like tag. It's like tag meets
Body slam.
Body slam. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. But they're from like a couple minutes after meeting each other, they just went and they played and played and played, and they both actually play the same way, him and Bruno. And then Mocha was so tired yesterday that she didn't really take an interest to him, but this morning it was really they played. It was really cute.
They played.
Yeah, so we got another dog. He wasn't technically a shelter dog, though he was going to the shelter, so he's a shelter dog.
We kept him from going to the shelter.
Right, so essentially still rescued.
Yes.
Because, because otherwise he'd be at the pound. Look at this. Oh, hi, Frank. And if you're wondering why Bruno, well, first off, we didn't know his name. Obviously. Actually, he's, minus Coyote, he's the first dog that I actually got to pick the name. Frankie came with Frankie. We just kept it. Mocha came with Mocha to us. But I chose Bruno, one, because he's a huge dog. And I don't know, Bruno just sounds like a big dog. That was the secondary reason. It kind of just fit. Like, that is why that particular name got chosen. But Bruno, if you don't know, is also the dog's name in Cinderella. And I love Cinderella. Cinderella's my favorite Disney princess. And for a while, I've been wanting to name, like, our dogs. Like, I've been telling Jacob, like, I want to name them Disney names. Maybe not necessarily Disney dog names, But Disney names, and so this just fit all the way around. So that's our big news. That's it.
That's pretty big news. Don't say that.
That is pretty big news. And we did go Black Friday shopping. I touched on that a little bit earlier. Yeah, and I guess just now I touched on it a little bit, but that's all. I just made buttermilk. Well, Jacob helped. I made buttermilk pie, corn pudding, sweet potato casserole, and deviled eggs. The sweet potato casserole and the corn pudding are both currently in the oven. Also, isn't this so cute? We believe in Santa Claus. My dad's girlfriend got that for me. I thought it was nice. But that's all for the moment. Okay, guys. So I meant to end the vlog yesterday. Here's Jacob. I meant to end the vlog yesterday and forgot.
Good job.
So I'm gonna end it here so that then I can go and post it real fast because we're having Friendsgiving today. We got lots to do. We've already done lots. We
Gave the dogs a bath.
gave the dogs a bath and cut their nails.
I'm about to go clean. You're about to go cook.
All those things. Okay. Well, if you enjoyed this, you can subscribe because we'll be doing Vlogmas. I say we, it's me. We.
I'll be in it a little
You'll
bit.
see us in Vlogmas, which starts in just a few days. Because a few days, it's December, guys. Okay. Well, thank you all for watching. If you watched all the way through, sorry for the hodgepodginess, but it's life, I guess. Okay.
From wet hair.
Exactly. All right. Bye, guys.